Today, Jamaica joins the rest of the global community to observe World Consumer Rights Day under the theme Fair Digital Finance. Over the past 2 years, many countries, including Jamaica, have expedited the development of their digital platforms to ensure consumers are more able to conduct business seamlessly, especially during the season of the COVID-19 pandemic, when the need for physical distancing arrived with the virus. I commend the practitioners for rising to the challenge to serve digitally many consumers, and I urge businesses to continue to use these digital service portals. This is important if Jamaican entrepreneurs are to remain competitive in an increasingly digitized world. I also remind business owners that for them to be considered as offering fair digital finance service, it must be first inclusive and sustainable. That means extending access to digital finance for all. It must also be safe, mitigating harm in digital finance from scams, fraud, and phishing. The data must be protected and private. That means safeguarding the data of every consumer of digital financial services. And, of course, it must be responsive and responsible. Socially responsible digital financial products that have recourse for redress via an established complaints mechanism. Let us make Jamaica's financial inclusion strategy a sustainable and resilient success. So I urge you to have a fair digital finance World Consumer Rights Day.